In this video, I'm going to show you how to have Siri speak something when you plug in your charger.
Charging.
That's pretty cool. She said the word charging when I plugged it in, and you can customize that however you want. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. And if you get value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. I really appreciate it, and it really helps the channel. So to get started, we have to find the Shortcuts app. If you know where it is on your home screen, go ahead and find it. If you don't, tap on the little search down here and start typing in Shortcuts. And you'll see it appear in the top left up here or somewhere in this row. Just tap on it to open it. And then you'll probably end up in the library first. Tap on Automations, and then tap on the plus to create a new automation. There's a lot of different things you can base automations off of, including one called Charger. It's right down here. You can also search for using the search bar. Just going to tap on it since I'm there. And then I'm going to run this immediately, or you can run this after confirmation. I'm just going to run it immediately so this happens right when I plug it in. You can also have the automation run when it is connected and when it's not connected. So you could have two different ones. You could have one when you plug it in, it says charging, and then when you disconnect it, it says all done, or something like that. To make that happen, you'd have to make two different automations using the same process that we're using to make this first one. So you're going to leave these options as they are, and then tap on next. And then I'm going to tap on Speak Text. The text can be whatever you want it to be. I'm going to make it plugged in this time. And if you tap on this little arrow to the right, you can customize it. You can wait until finished. When the text is finished speaking, and the next action will happen. In this case, there are no actions after this, so that's not super relevant. You can change how fast the speech is, the pitch of the speech, the language. You can pick a different voice. Voice 4 happens to be the same voice as Siri on my phone, but you can pick a different voice. There are a bunch to choose from. And after that, since I'm not changing anything, I'm just going to click on that blue check mark. And now we have that new automation activated. Just so nothing funny happens, I'll just delete this first automation. Swipe to the left and it deletes it. And now it should not have any confusion, and it should just say the new text when I plug this in.
Plugged in.
And there it is. I hope you heard that. I sure did. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I really appreciate it. So thanks for doing that. And then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your phone. It's something you should be doing on a regular basis, and you've probably never done it before. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.